Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to host your Lovable projects on cPanel with a custom domain. First, go to the Lovable website and make sure you are logged into your account so you can access your projects and settings. Now, click on your username from the left side. This will open your account options. Then, click on Settings to access your account configuration. Here, again, click on your username from the left side to make sure you are inside the correct workspace or account section. Next, open your project from the dashboard. Once it loads, click on Edit from the top right corner to enter the project editor. Now, click on the arrow next to your project name. This will open additional project options. From here, select Settings. After that, click on Domains. This is where you can connect and manage your custom domain for your project. Now, add your custom domain name in the given field. Lovable will provide you with DNS records like A record or C name. Copy these details carefully. Next, open your cPanel in a new tab and log into your hosting account. Go to the Zone Editor or DNS Settings section. Here, add the DNS records provided by Lovable, such as pointing your domain to the correct IP address or linking it through CNAME. After adding the records, save the changes and wait for DNS propagation. This may take some time, so be patient. Finally, go back to your Lovable and verify your domain connection. Once it's verified, your project will be live on your custom domain. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.